Hello everyone, this is Maria, and today I am on adBTC website, and this website is one that I frequently use, in particular for advertising, but I also recently found a new way to stop putting in my own money in order to advertise and how I can earn Bitcoin passively. Alright, so let's take a look. And it says here Bitcoins for viewing websites. So today they have 72 sites available, a total amount of 619 Satoshis. So if you are looking for passive income and you want to have a zero deposit so that you don't have to put any money out and you want to earn, you can utilize this website in order to earn Bitcoin. So they have two programs, one for advertisers and one for owners. Now again, I primarily was using it for advertising a lot of my Bitcoin opportunities. And it states here, target real Bitcoin users. Cost per click starts from 5 Satoshi and no minimum purchase required. So whatever amount of Bitcoin I have, then I can just deposit that and advertise to potential Bitcoin investors. Now you also have earners, earn up to 200 Satoshis per click, withdrawals from 0.0002 BTC. Now they also have an affiliate program in which you can earn 7.5% from your referral surfing earnings, or you can also earn 7.5% from your referral advertisement spending. So there are really three ways to earn. And again, this is with zero out of pocket. You earn just by surfing the websites. You also can earn if you refer somebody to the site and they surf and earn money, then guess what? You're going to earn 7.5%. And then in addition, you are also going to earn 7.5% if somebody uses this website to advertise their Bitcoin opportunities. Bitcoin uses a peer-to-peer technology to operate with no central authority or bank. So this is kind of telling you a little bit about Bitcoin. And then they are also showing you the latest deposits on the site. So everything's transparent, as well as the latest amount of Satoshis that you or that people have withdrawn. So I think there are three different methods you can use to withdraw. So you can see you can withdraw straight to your Bitcoin wallet and also to Faucet Hub. And I believe there's one more. All right, so what I'm going to do is to go ahead and log in. And let's see. Okay, so my sign in is successful. And I believe this site is obviously out of Russia, as you see some of the Russian language that was at the bottom of this website. So right now on my advertising balance, I have 4,500 Satoshis. And again, this is money that I've sent over there specifically. The last amount I put into the site was $12, but I had been using it strictly for advertising. I don't do any surfing in order to earn. However, you can do that. But one of the really cool things that I saw is that me spending, I'll say maybe $10 a week or just whatever I choose to spend on advertising, I could do it a simpler way where I don't have to keep putting money in here. And you can see up here, I currently have 424 Satoshis. And again, this is money that I put in the 4,500. But what they have is a referral market. So I'll go ahead and click on this. So what their referral market is after a person comes on the system and they've established their account for 1 week, they give you the opportunity to purchase that referral. All right. So a lot of people, they are unable to get referrals. Well, let's say you have $20 or $30, you can actually send that over here to your balance by depositing it, and you can come over here and purchase these referrals. So what I did as of recently is I purchased about 7 referrals. So, and these were people that had earned money on that particular day. That was part of my criteria that I used. So this person here, you can see they registered on 12/11/2017. This is how much they have earned total on this site, but this is how much they earn today. So these are people that are actively coming to the site, utilizing it, and earning Bitcoin. So what their referral market allows you to do is to earn that 7.5% based upon somebody else's efforts. So I can come in here and I literally bought up some of these referrals. So you can see the price of this is all 8 Satoshis. But anyway, this is really like we're talking about $3 or $4 with some of these. These are really pennies on the dollar that you can buy these referrals. So let's jump over here. I can show you my referral system. So one of them was my direct referral, but other than that, the other 7 I purchased directly. So you can see here when they registered, earned. All right, and so some of them may not be active, but it looks like this person was active yesterday. So I earned 24. All right, and then this person here, I've earned 21 of her earnings now earned today. So this person was active online, and I've gotten 75 Satoshis out of this. So you can see that every single day I am going to receive Bitcoin based upon other people's efforts. Now, personally, I could take and sit this and forget it. Now, it does depend upon whether or not they log in, but it seems like what one of my criteria is, again, was to take a look and let's see if it shuffled it, at all the people that were active. So when I selected them from the market, I made sure that they had recently earned from this particular website. But again, I just purchased these referrals yesterday. I've already earned 97 Satoshis, 55 from this person, 75. So you can see over time that this can really add up. So right now I have 8 referrals. I would like to get it up to at least maybe 20 referrals, and it probably won't cost me, I'll say, more than $20 to even acquire these 12 more accounts so that I can have another passive income generating system. And this money, I can choose to withdraw it. So any of the money that I earn will go here, or this button here is to transfer it. So I can also take any of the money earned here and I can move it over to my advertising balance. So inevitably, I'll spend, I'll say $20 to $30 to get all these referrals, and then they're going to be working for me on a daily basis to earn me Satoshis, which eventually will turn, it will grow. And I can transfer that over, and now I'm advertising for free because I'll always have something on my balance as long as these people log in. Or I may just, if I didn't choose to advertise, I have a generating Bitcoin money machine that is going to work for me while I sleep. So getting started with this site, and again, I told you there's 3 different ways that you can earn, but it is free to register. And you can sign up and you can start surfing and earning your Satoshis each day. Or maybe you have a little bit more money to invest, maybe $40, $50, and you can buy your referrals from the referral marketplace here. And again, you want to make sure that it is somebody that has, let's see if it comes up, somebody that is active in the system. And this is all that you will pay in order to purchase these referrals. And some of them are very cheap. This here, 33,000 Satoshis. I mean, that's really nothing. Again, we're talking about a few dollars here, if that, to purchase this and have this person working for you each and every day. So that's all I have. I'll put a link to adBTC.top. And before I go, let me just show you that you do also have the ability to advertise. So I do use this actively in order to promote a lot of my programs that I am involved in. All right, and again, the cost per click, and it does, I think, vary based on the price of Bitcoin, but you are going to get a lot of exposure using this particular site. So I've had, some pretty decent success with this site, and it's all in how you title, so here. This is just one example. It's payday, earn $15 per referral, turn $15 into 10K in BTC. Spillovers, fast withdrawals, activate now. All right. So you give it a nice title. People will click on it and earn. Some people will do it just to earn the Bitcoin, but there are other people that are out there that are actually looking for active investment. So this is also a very good place to advertise any of your Bitcoin opportunities. So that's all I have for you. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already done so, and I will catch you all in the next video.